Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Robert's equipment from Virginia. And Robert wants to have this telephone repaired for his daughter. And that's a pretty cool idea. And we're going to help him with that. And since this is the initial checkout, we're going to kind of walk through the telephone with you real quick here. And this gives you a look at the telephone already open. And we have had a chance to do some initial checks on this telephone, and we know that the handset cord has got some issues. So there's multiple problems here. Also, the receiver capsule on the handset is bad. That will have to be replaced. And we want to show you the base unit here. This will give you a look at this part of it if you've never seen the inside of one of these Mickey telephones. Now we have our network here. We want to go through that, make sure everything's proper. We want to go through the hook switch. That needs to be cleaned. We want to get the bell straightened out here. This cover should match the holes that are in the bell and the cover. We want to go through the keypad. But we also want to install a Polarity Protect circuit at the network so this telephone will work properly for Robert or his daughter, no matter where it's plugged in. And that kind of gives you a look at the telephone there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get a start on this telephone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are in the middle of the process of repairing this Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. We've went ahead and installed our Polarity Protect circuit. We've also repaired and cleaned the handset cord. We know that we need to replace our receiver, and that's what we're going to work on now. We have a replacement receiver, so we'll be installing that. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug Mickey in, and we're going to try to give you some dial tone here. And there is no dial tone. But I want to dial a 2, and I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. So we know that we have transmit, but we do not have any receive. And we'll hang up, try to give you dial tone, and there is none. So what we want to do is go ahead and unplug Mickey. I'll go ahead and take this receiver capsule out. Now I know somebody has been into this receiver at some point, because what we have here on a spade connector, it's not in the right spot, and it looks like it's been removed and they tried to put it back on. So at some point that was worked on, or somebody had gotten into it. But we're going to go ahead and remove that right now. We set that to the side. That's of no use to us. And we'll install our replacement. Okay. Now, for those who watch the videos, you know that this is our amplified pickup. And we use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. And it's amplified. And it's so that you can hear the receive from the handset in our final checkout and troubleshooting and things like that. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and plug Mickey back in. And we'll give you some dial tone. We'll set it down on our pickup and turn our amplifier on. We can turn our amplifier off. Go ahead and unplug Mickey here. So now we know we have dial tone, and we can move along with putting Mickey back together again, and we'll come back and start our final checks. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this Mickey Mouse telephone. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and ring Mickey. So we'll start a ring cycle with the analyzer. We'll go ahead and let that go a few times. Let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We'll set it down on our pickup and turn our amplifier on. Turn our amplifier off. We can dial our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. We can turn our amplifier back on, give you some dial tone, and we'll walk through our numbers again, since that was one of the issues. I'm going to end in a 2 again. We'll turn our amplifier off, and I want to transmit one more time. Like earlier, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We'll hang up. Give you some dial tone again. Now that we know that Mickey is working properly, we can push this button on the switch box, and that gives us a line out, and we can go ahead and call a time and temp number. So we'll turn our amplifier on and give you some dial tone. We'll call that number.
Good afternoon. We have express service available at almost every Offenburg dealership. Open later during the week and Saturday for your convenience. Today is Friday, May 29th. The time is 4:17. Current temperature 87 degrees.
Partly sunny today. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the lower 80s. Showers and thunderstorms likely this evening. Lows around 70. Showers and thunderstorms likely on Saturday. Highs in the 70s.
We can hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Turn off our amplifier. We can hang Mickey up. Now that we know that Mickey has been repaired and converted, we can return him to Robert, and they can enjoy this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. And I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where they use it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.